pie dough. Like when Mama made pie? Yeah, let's make some pie dough. Alright, to make our pie dough, stop. To make our pie dough, it works best in a food processor. We've got the big KitchenAid that we got last year. I put 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of salt. And now we're going to cut up 2.5 sticks of butter, real small, in little chunks, and then we're going to put it back in the fridge to get cool. Okay? Let me show you what we're going to, let me do it, Boogie.
I want to cut it.
You can cut it, but let me get it started. So we cut 1.5. Okay. And then we're going to take the paper off.
Paper.
Okay.
And then we'll do cut butter.
Not yet. Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I'm going to feel the butter.
You want to feel the butter? Well, I don't think Mama wants to taste Boogie's grubby hands.
Why? Why?
Why?
Yeah, why?
Because little kids are grody. You take the butter, and we're just going to cut it just like that. Okay?
And I'm the thrower man.
No, we're not going to throw it. We're going to put it right back in the fridge. So let's cut these. Take a knife.
I got this myself. Got this myself.
You put your hand in. Let me hold your hand. Good job. You're good at cutting butter. You'd think we'd have a hot knife. So here's our butter after we've cut it up. And now we're going to stick it. Cut up our butter and we let it chill about 15 minutes or so. Now we're just going to throw it in our food processor. AKA the KitchenAid. And we're just going to process it till it's crumbly. Once it's crumbly, we're going to add in some ice water, 1/4 cup of ice water. Now that it's all good crumbly mixture, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of ice water. And we should add a little bit at a time. And okay, we'll see how that works. Alright, once we've added that water in real good and made it where it's a nice dough, what we're going to do is we're going to get it all out and we're going to shape it into a big mass. You know, not quite knead it, we're not trying to work it to death, but just get it in one big happy ball. And then we're going to just wrap it up in plastic wrap and put it in the fridge to rest for an hour.